Hey Shugs, welcome back to my channel, Anxiety Art Adventures. My name is Laura and I am here today with a sneak peek from Diamond Design Co. Amy was so nice to reach out to me. She knows I love Miss Fluff, so she sent me a Miss Fluff sneak peek. So I'm excited to share this with you. So for those of you that don't know about Diamond Design Co., they are a fairly new company to our community. But absolutely love their quality and it's always a good experience. So, all right, this canvas is called Unicorn Pegasus by Miss Fluff. It is a 57 by 63 centimeter canvas. I got this, I asked her to send this to me in round acrylic drills because I'm a round drill girl. However, you can choose this canvas in round or square. The square drills are resin. The round drills are acrylic. There's 65 colors to this canvas and it does have special drills. So first things first, we're gonna pull out the drills and the toolkit. All right, this is the toolkit. Comes in a nice zippy bag. I call it a zippy bag. All right, let's pull all this out here. My only suggestion is, I think I've said this before, I wish that more companies would offer no drill kit. However, Diamond Design Co. is different with their upgraded toolkit. So you get a white, you get a white tray. Very nice. You get a Diamond Design Co. branded curved pen. I have not used these. I'm just not a fan of the curved pens. However, a lot of people love them and use them all the time. So you do get a curved pen. I do like the fact, I'm a marketing person. I love the fact that she's got her company on there. You get some heavy duty, very sharp tweezers, so be careful. You get some multi-placers. I think that is a 6-placer and a 4-placer. And you also get a straightener. Okay, the cool thing about Diamond Design Co.'s toolkit is you get this giant square pad of putty, which is great. I've used this putty, but look at how much putty you got. This is awesome, especially when you have large multi-placers. You can use, these sides and it's great, but it's awesome putty. It's very firm putty. Never have had a problem with it sticking to my canvas. I love it. So this is a definite upgrade for the toolkit. So that is the toolkit you get with all of your Diamond Design Co. kits. And it comes in a nice zippy bag, so you can use this to store other things. Okay, these are the drills. Look at all these beautiful drills. I already see some special drills down here. Look at all of the rainbow of colors. Yes, these are pre-packaged in baggies, so you don't technically have to kit up. You can just use a baggie holder, or you can just work directly out of the bag. So awesome. Okay, we're gonna put that to the side. All right, I'm gonna roll this the opposite way. Well, first of all, before I do the canvas, we're gonna look at the sticker sheet so you guys can see the image. I know you wanna see the image. I'm just rolling it back the other way so that it's not so curly. Okay. Here it is. Look at that. Unicorn Pegasus by Miss Fluff. Is that not just the cutest thing? Oh my gosh. Look at that. There are 65 colors in this kit, and it looks like we have 1AB. There are 2 crystal drills. The ones that start with C, that's crystal, and the ZG, those are diamond dust drills. So you've got 2 crystals, 1AB, and 2 diamond dust drills. Awesome. These are pre-cut sticker sheets, so you can put them on your containers, on the baggies. I usually just peel these off and put them on each baggie. But isn't that just the cutest? Oh, love it. It takes me back to my childhood days with, like, My Pretty Ponies and that kind of thing. But absolutely love the colors. So That is Unicorn Pegasus. So that is your sticker sheet. And then you also get a separate inventory sheet that you can use to check off to make sure you have all of your colors. And they are, it shows, you know, the number, the numeric number, your symbol, and then your DMC number. So it is in numeric DMC number as well. Nice. And you also get to see down at the bottom, if you're new to diamond painting, it shows you how to diamond paint. There we go, your sticker sheet and your inventory sheet. Okay, so let's roll this canvas back the opposite way, and we're gonna see this awesome canvas. I hope everybody's having a fabulous week and staying cool, because it is a million degrees here. There we go, look at that. I can't even get all of it into the image. All right, I love Diamond Design Co.'s canvases. They are always super sticky. I'm just pulling the plastic back to get, you know, well, I didn't do a very good job, but you can pull the plastic back and get some of the creases out. Super thick plastic on the canvases, which I greatly appreciate for sectioning off with washi tape. Never have had a problem with that. Like I said, super sticky. I know a lot of people don't like it when I do this, but like, yeah, poured glue. Okay, look at this. All right, at the top, we've got the Diamond Design Co., her logo. And then over here on the left, you've got your key code legend with your number, your symbol, and your DMC number. Like I said, 65 colors. These are all of your special drills down here. You see that? C is crystal, AB, and then ZG is the dust drills. All right, at the bottom, we've got the artist, Miss Fluff. The name is Unicorn Pegasus, and it tells you it's a 57 by 63 centimeter. The bottom and all around the canvas have scalloped edges, so that way there is no fraying while you work on it. And in the bottom right, you've got all of the Diamond Design Co.'s socials, Facebook, Instagram, and then of course their website. You also have a key code legend on the right side, so it doesn't matter which side of the canvas you are working on, you've got, you know, key code legend reference. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this around and try and get some wrinkles out. And the wrinkles are just in the plastic, it's not in the canvas. Okay, so let's look at the canvas up close at the symbols. Let's see here. Look at the rainbow. Symbols are super clear. There's going to be a lot of color blocking in this, which I'm fine with. Look at that cute face. Very clear symbols. But yeah, the background's going to be a lot of color blocking. And oh my gosh, these pinks. I love the pinks. Look at the heart over here. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Oh my gosh, I love Miss Fluff's artwork so much. Isn't that just adorable? Oh, love it. Okay, so we're going to figure out, we're going to look at these drills and we're going to figure out, I'm not going to pull out every single bag of drills, but we're going to see where the special drills are. Okay, special drills are usually down here at the end. All right, so this is a diamond dust drill. Whoops, there we go. This is 3805. That's a pretty pink. Let's see here. Oh, we'll save that for a second. This is the other diamond dust drill. It's another pink, 554. We've got the AB pink. I love all the pinks. Amy knows pink is my favorite color. So that's AB 605. All right, here we go. We've got two crystal drills. Y'all, check this out. Kind of hard to see, but this is crystal drill 603. It's also a pink. For those of you that aren't familiar with crystal drills, they look like glass, and they're super shiny, super shiny. The silver, that's the back of the drill. For those of you that are new to diamond painting, the pink is what you're going to see face up on the canvas. They're super sparkly. All right, and then this is the other one, which is actually, it looks like a diamond. It's 5,200, so this is like a white crystal. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's going to be awesome. Okay, so those are your special drills. But I'm not going to pull out the rest of the drills. But like I said, you've got all kinds of awesome colors in here. You've got pinks and blues and purples. You've got a reddish pink in there, yellow, green. All the colors of the rainbow. So yeah, like I said, I got the round drill kit, which are acrylic rounds, but you can get them in resin squares. But I'm a round girl. So, okay. Round drill girl, pardon me. I mean, I am a round girl, but you know what I mean. Okay, let's see. Where is this one going to go? 65. 65. That is going to be the up arrow. So let's see here. I'm sure it's probably going to be in... Yep, it's going to be in the tail. So, whoops, sorry. So this up arrow right here, the pink up arrow, that's going to be there. Going to be over here. I'm trying to do this standing up, and it's difficult. It's going to be up here around the mane. So anywhere you see that dark pink, yep, it's going to be in the heart over here. So that's going to be a dust drill. Let's see, that's the AB. Where's the other dust drill? Here it is. This is the purpley dust drill 554. Where's this one go? Okay, this one is like an anchor symbol. So I'm looking. I know it's here, y'all. Y'all tell me, where is that? Where is that? Oh my gosh. I know it's here. It's like a light purpley color. Oh my goodness, where is it? I'm looking. All right, well, I can't find this one. I know it's right in front of my face. Okay, well, I'll come back to this one because I just don't see it. I don't see it. Do y'all see it? Do y'all see it? Oh, there it is. Okay, I see it. Okay, it's right. There's one right here in the neck. And there's some, okay, there's some around the face. Okay, I just didn't see it at first. Okay, there we go. All right, here's the AB, the 605 AB. Let's see. That one is going to be the, I saw that one. Where did I see it? Here we go. So it's going to be in the hearts over here. These little, I don't know if you can see that right there. They're like diamonds. So it's going to be in the heart. It's going to be in the hoofs down here. It's going to be in the tail. And it's going to be in the heart up here as well. And there's probably going to be some in the, let's see, it's probably going to be some in the mane. Yep, there's going to be some in the mane as well. So, sure, AB. All right, the crystal drills. Let's see where this awesome thing is going to go. 603. 603 is a, okay, it's going to be in the hearts down here. It's a, like a, I call it the video camera symbol. See that right there? Those little video cameras. That's what I call them. Yep, so it's going to be in the heart there. I know it's going to be up here in the other heart. There's going to be some in the mane and in the tail. So yeah. Very cool, very cool. Oh, there's some diamonds. There's going to be special diamonds in the clouds up here, that pink in the clouds. Okay, 5,200. Check mark. Okay, where is this going to go? This is supposed to be like where a white is going to be. Looking. It's just a regular check mark. This is the only thing I don't like about doing sneak peeks, because I don't look at it before I open it. Where are the check marks? Oh my gosh, I knew they're here. It's just a regular check mark. Where is it? Okay, well, it's here. It's here somewhere. Just point. Tell me where it is. Tell me where it is, y'all. But I like the fact that there's some crystal drills in here. I think that's really going to put some pop into it. Oh, I'm so silly. It's all this up here. See the white, the sparkles? That's where it is, up here. I was looking throughout in the actual horse. So that's where your special drills go. Sorry for the that delay there. It's always kind of challenging when you're trying to find symbols. So yes, I am so excited. So yeah, so that is Unicorn Pegasus. The back of the canvas, it's a soft lint canvas. It's very pliable, so you can move it around. You know, very flexible. It's not a firm canvas. It's soft. So that is Miss Fluff, the Unicorn Pegasus. And just so you know, all of these canvases are hand rendered. So that actually helps with, you know, how the image comes out when you're finished with it. I appreciate, you know, the smaller shops that actually take the time and effort to do hand rendering. But anyway, huge Miss Fluff fan, as you all know. And I'm very thrilled that Amy sent this to me. So this diamond painting will be available on July the 9th, on Thursday, July 9th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So definitely go check that out. I'm sure she will have other releases as well on Thursday, July the 9th. But this is one of the awesome releases to check out. So let me know down in the comments below if you have a Diamond Design Co. Diamond painting. Which ones do you have? What is your favorite one that you've worked on? I would say my favorite one I've worked on is the Miss Fluff Tiki Cat. I have it hanging up on my wall behind me. I absolutely love that diamond painting, and that's my favorite one so far. But I've got 5 more Diamond Design Co's that I've ordered that are on their way to me. So I'm a huge fan of Diamond Design Co. So I will have the link for Diamond Design Co. down in the description box. But put in the comments what your favorite canvas is from Diamond Design Co. And if you have a Miss Fluff, which one do you like? Let me know. But I absolutely love her artwork. So I will have Miss Fluff's information as well in the description of this video. I hope all of you have a fabulous, fabulous rest of your week. Stay cool, and I will see you again very, very soon.